website. So this is the first page, and I've linked the other two pages, Google Advanced and Google Images. If I go to there, yeah, this is the Google Advanced page, and this is the Google Images page. And in both of the pages, if I right click on here, on the right hand side, if I click here, it would take me to the first page, which is the home page also for the Google Advanced page. So I've linked all the three pages with one another. Okay. And for the query text, if I search the word Harvard and click on Google search, it would take me to the search result for Harvard in Google directly. So this is the query text, and in the query text, I've also added the Google search button, right where it is in the Google's real page. And for Google query images, if I go to Google Images page and write the word Harvard and click on Google search, then it would take me to the search result for Harvard, and it would show me only the images. It would do this automatically directly from my Google Images page. And if I move on to Query Advanced, so if I go to Google Advanced page, so this is the Google Advanced page, and I have aligned all the words on the left hand side, like all these words, this text, this exact word or phrase, any of these words, none of these words. So I have added these words, and each of this text area can take input like this. They all can take input. So this is the Google Advanced, Query Advanced. And if I talk about appearances, the appearances for Google Query Advanced, the appearances of this Google Advanced search page, I mean, that button is a button called Advanced Search, is like blue, and it's in the exact same position. Everything is in the same position like Google's own page. And if I search, like put random words here and click on Advanced Search, it would show results for these options. And for example, if I remove two of those, it would also, if I click on Advanced Search, it would show me the results for only these two, and it also even works for single ones. So for example, if I search for only this exact word or phrase and click on Advanced Search, it would show me only for this. And also, if I only search for all these words and click on Advanced, it will show me the results for all these words, which includes these words. Okay, and for lucky, if I go to the Google's homepage, if I click on I am feeling lucky, it would take me to google.com/doodles, which is the usual behavior of this button of Google. And if I type out any word like Harvard and click on I'm feeling lucky, it would redirect to me the first result of the word Harvard in the Google, which is the Harvard's own official website, harvard.edu. If I click on this, I would be redirect to this browser website. And if I go back, so this is the I am feeling lucky feature of his. And for the aesthetics, I've tried to keep everything as possible, pretty much same to Google's real version. So for the home page, the image, the search box is exactly the same position. I've added the placeholder, the two buttons, and these two links here. For Google Images, the picture and search bar are in the same place, and I've added the word images in just below the image to match with the real Google Images page. And for Google Advanced Search, I have tried my best to put the words in the exact same positions as Google's real Advanced Search page. And if I click on this logo on the left hand side, it would redirect to me the home page of Google.